Okay, now we're already done for the customer and also supplier together with the chart of account. It's time to import the stock item. Before we import the stock item, if your item code have different of stock group, please make sure that you have import the stock group first. So this is the template of the stock group. The code description is a compulsory, and if you have different of the sales account, sales return account, cash sales account, and the rest of the account, then you may preset into the Excel sheet. Before you import, please make sure that all the title field without have any empty spacing behind the character. So now we just have to import the stock group. Just go to the stock, maintain stock group, same thing, get file. So you just have to get file and choose the Excel format, choose the stock group, and then get data. So map all the field. For example, code, you drag over to the code, description, you drag over to the description. If your sales account, sales return account, cash sales account, or the rest of the account is same with the default value, then you can no need to call up the column. Just click on the post to account will do. Until it prompt out record successfully post to database. After you're done for the stock group, it's time to go to the stock item. So we just have to go to the stock, maintain stock item. Then you click on the get data, choose the Excel format again. Make sure you choose the item, get data, and map all the field. For example, stock group, item code, description. For the UOM, you have to do same with the customer. So just click on, you are able to see the UOM tab. Once you see the UOM tab, then you just click on the new and then map the UOM to the UOM column. Drag the reference cost to the reference cost column. Drag the reference price to the reference price column. Then you just click on save. If you want to import the opening balance, can you see beside the UOM got the opening balance tab? So you just point on the opening balance tab and click on new. And here I have an opening balance quantity column, so I just drag in. And the costing, I will capture reference cost as a costing. I go to save it and then just click on post to account. Then you just click on the post to account until it come out record successfully post to database. Then you click OK. Now we go back to the database and look for maintain stock item, refresh it, and double click the item. Go into the opening balance tab. You are able to see all the info will be there.